Are you getting the most out of your iPhone? Many users never realize that some of the best Face ID and security features are disabled or simply overlooked. By enabling a few important settings, you can make your iPhone easier to use, better protected, and even save yourself time every day. Let me show you the ones you should turn on. To begin, open the Settings app. Then scroll down and tap Face ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode and you will find several useful options. The first one is iPhone Unlock. I believe most of you, if not all, know this. Make sure this feature is enabled so you can unlock your iPhone quickly and securely with Face ID instead of entering your passcode each time. Just below that is iTunes and App Store. I also recommend turning this on. Once it is enabled, you can install apps, download previous purchases, and improve App Store transactions simply by double-clicking the side button and confirming with Face ID. There is no need to type your Apple ID password every time, making the whole process much faster and more convenient. Now, if Face ID still is not working for App Store purchases, there is a setting you should check because this is usually what is causing the problem. Go back to the main settings page and open Screen Time. Tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. If this feature is turned off, you don't need to change anything. But if it is enabled, tap iTunes and App Store purchases. Under Require Password, make sure Do Not Require is selected. If it is set to Always Require, your iPhone will continue asking for your Apple ID password even though Face ID for the App Store is enabled. Changing this option usually solves the issue right away. Now go back to Face ID and Passcode. The next setting is Contactless and Payments. Make sure this one is switched on too. It allows you to approve Apple Pay and other supported contactless payments using Face ID instead of entering your passcode. Not only is it faster, but it's also more secure because every payment must be verified with your face. Next one, you will see Password Autofill. This is one of the, my favorite features. When enabled, your iPhone can automatically fill saved passwords, login details, and verification codes whenever an app or website asks for them. Instead of copying passwords or switching between apps for verification codes, Face ID securely confirms your identity and fills everything in automatically, making sign-ins much quicker. While you're there, tap Other Apps and make sure you've allowed any trusted apps to use Password Autofill as well. That way, you'll get the same convenience across even more of your apps. The next option is Face ID with a mask. If your iPhone supports this feature, I definitely recommend enabling it. Your iPhone can recognize the area around your eyes, allowing Face ID to work even while you are wearing a face mask. It is a simple feature that makes unlocking your device, we can say, much more convenient. Now, scroll down until you find Require Attention for Face ID. This is one of the most important security settings on this page, so I recommend leaving it enabled. With this feature turned on, Face ID only unlocks your iPhone when you're looking directly at the display with your eyes open. Without it, someone could potentially hold your iPhone in front of your face while you're asleep or distracted. Keeping this enabled provides an extra level of protection for your personal data. Right below, you'll find attention-aware features. Make sure this is enabled too. When your iPhone detects that you're looking at the screen, it can keep the display from dimming while you're reading and lower the volume of certain notifications because it knows you're already paying attention. It is a small feature, but it makes your iPhone feel much more intelligent during everyday use. Finally, scroll down to stolen device protection and confirm that it is turned on. This is one of the Apple's strongest security features. If your iPhone is ever stolen and someone learns your passcode, this feature requires Face ID before allows sensitive actions like viewing saved passwords, changing your Apple account settings, turning off lost mode, or disabling Find My. When you're away from familiar places such as your home or workplace, it can even add a security delay before certain changes are allowed. That extra time can make a huge difference in protecting both your account and your personal information. Those are some of the most useful Face ID and security settings every iPhone user should enable. They help make your device safer, more convenient to use, and ensure you're taking full advantage of what your iPhone has to offer. If you found this video helpful, be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more iPhone tips and hidden features, and turn on notifications so you never miss any new upload. Also, don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. They might be missing these settings too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.